Say hello. Hello.
Hey, watch, yeah?
Oh, that, say hi.
Hi.
Whoa, my goodness! Oh my god! Let's be out of question.
Cabut.
You got what I'm looking for. You got everything that I want. My sugar and gold. Once I got a piece of this ecstasy and heavenly bliss, I'm back for more. Take me to a higher place. Show me all your magic ways. One more time. I can't get enough of this. Never felt a feeling like this. Now you're
Good morning, people. Right now we're in Lancelin. We're heading down to, what's that? Sand Dunes.
Yep.
I think 4 years ago we were here as well. Same day, same date.
Yep.
Different year.
Different people.
Different people, the whole family. So yeah, we'll check in later and then let's get some sand surfing done and see you later.
You alright? You want to take one? Oh, cool. I'll keep one. Well done, Tatum. Woohoo!
Bend your knees. There you go.
I've been running wild. Now you've done it again. I wrote it all.
How's the sand dunes, guys?
When you're sitting in. Take it last time, so let it go. Now it's your turn for the money. Yeah, it's your turn for the money. Get out there. You're a freaking tiger. Don't matter what they say. Gonna take it higher.
Holy shit, Rema, that's awesome.